The hardest part about small talk isn't finding big words, it's knowing how to talk about the weather without sounding like a news report. Yeah, I usually just say, "It is hot," and then the conversation completely dies.
Start speaking with me. Now, I look out the window.
I look out the window.
The sky is completely gray.
The sky is completely gray.
Just follow the rhythm. I pull out my phone.
I pull out my phone.
I check the weather app.
I check the weather app.
It says there's a chance of rain.
It says there's a chance of rain.
Something is shifting. Let the sentence expand. I should probably grab a jacket.
I should probably grab a jacket.
Just in case it gets cold later.
Just in case it gets cold later.
I open the front door.
I open the front door.
The air feels really humid today.
The air feels really humid today.
You're getting faster. Don't stop. I walk down the driveway.
I walk down the driveway.
I see my neighbor getting into his car.
I see my neighbor getting into his car.
I wave and say good morning.
I wave and say good morning.
That sounded smoother. Now we interact. Morning. How are you doing?
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks.
I am doing well, thanks.
Can you believe this weather?
Can you believe this weather?
Did you notice that? The conversation is flowing. Keep it up. I know, it is so gloomy today.
I know, it is so gloomy today.
I hope it doesn't rain all weekend.
I hope it doesn't rain all weekend.
Me too. I wanted to go to the park.
Me too. I wanted to go to the park.
Stay here. This matters. Keep the small talk going. At least it's not as hot as yesterday.
At least it's not as hot as yesterday.
Yesterday was absolutely boiling.
Yesterday was absolutely boiling.
I had to keep my air conditioning on all day.
I had to keep my air conditioning on all day.
Most people drop here, push through the pressure. Same here. Well, have a good day.
Same here. Well, have a good day.
You too, stay dry.
You too, stay dry.
That was clean. You handled the interaction perfectly. I keep walking down the street.
I keep walking down the street.
The wind starts to pick up.
The wind starts to pick up.
The leaves are blowing across the sidewalk.
The leaves are blowing across the sidewalk.
Now it starts to feel real, a sudden change. Suddenly, I feel a drop of water.
Suddenly, I feel a drop of water.
Right on my forehead.
Right on my forehead.
I look up at the dark clouds.
I look up at the dark clouds.
Oh no, it's starting to pour.
Oh no, it's starting to pour.
This is where it changes. React to the scenario. I didn't bring an umbrella.
I didn't bring an umbrella.
I start walking much faster.
I start walking much faster.
Now it is raining really hard.
Now it is raining really hard.
I'm getting completely soaked.
I'm getting completely soaked.
Few people reach this point without freezing. Keep moving. I run towards a nearby cafe.
I run towards a nearby cafe.
I push the door open and step inside.
I push the door open and step inside.
I shake the water off my jacket.
I shake the water off my jacket.
The barista looks at me and laughs.
The barista looks at me and laughs.
You got caught in the rain, huh?
You got caught in the rain, huh?
Wait, feel that? We're moving to the end. Yeah, it came out of nowhere.
Yeah, it came out of nowhere.
The forecast said it would only drizzle.
The forecast said it would only drizzle.
You can never trust the weatherman.
You can never trust the weatherman.
I order a hot coffee to warm up.
I order a hot coffee to warm up.
Now you're ahead. You're finishing the process. I sit by the window with my drink.
I sit by the window with my drink.
I watch the rain hit the glass.
I watch the rain hit the glass.
It's actually kind of relaxing.
It's actually kind of relaxing.
As long as I'm inside.
As long as I'm inside.
Almost there. Free flow now. Just speak. The storm passes quickly.
The storm passes quickly.
The sun starts peeking through the clouds.
The sun starts peeking through the clouds.
The weather changes so fast this season.
The weather changes so fast this season.
I finish my coffee and head back out.
I finish my coffee and head back out.
The air smells fresh and clean.
The air smells fresh and clean.
It turned out to be a nice day.
It turned out to be a nice day. That felt different, didn't it?
You stayed longer this time.
You've been practicing with us.
This is the English Mint Podcast.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Hannah.
If you felt progress,
There's something waiting below.
not just listening,
Something you can actually use.
take it. If you're serious, tell us, where did it feel easier?
Or where did you hesitate? We read everything.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And see you next time.